In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tags in Asana. Tags are quick, flexible labels that help you categorize tasks across projects, making it easier to filter, search, and report on related work. Think of them as lightweight markers you can apply anywhere to add context like priority, status, or campaign names without changing the project structure. Let's walk through the exact process. Start by clicking any task to open the details pane on the right side of your screen. You can choose any task that would benefit from a label you plan to reuse. The details pane is where you'll find all of the task's information, including assignees, due dates, and more options. Next, look to the top right corner of the task details pane and click the three dots, also known as the More Actions menu. This menu holds additional features that don't fit in the main toolbar, and it's where you'll find the option to work with tags. From that menu, select Add Tags. This opens a small field where you can search for existing tags or create a new one. If your workspace already has tags, you may see suggestions appear as you type. Now type the name of your new tag. Keep it short and clear so it's easy to recognize later. Many teams use simple, consistent naming conventions like priority high, channel, email, or Q3 planning to keep tags organized and searchable. Avoid overly long names or anything that might be confused with a task title. If you're standardizing across a team, align on capitalization and wording so everyone applies the same tag the same way. If Asana doesn't find a match for the text you typed, you'll see the option to create it. To finish, click Create followed by your tag name or simply press Enter. That's it, the tag is created and instantly applied to the open task. From now on, that same tag will be available to use across your workspace and you can apply it to other tasks using the same Add Tags action. A few quick tips to make tags more effective. Use them for attributes that cut across multiple projects, like themes, campaigns, or milestones. Avoid duplicating things you already track with assignees or due dates, and keep the set of active tags lean so your team isn't overwhelmed with choices. Once your tags are in place, they become powerful filters for organizing views and understanding workload at a glance. And that's how you create tags in Asana: simple, consistent, and ready to scale with your